Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White here. Today we are on lesson 28 and the worksheet looks like this. We're not doing a letter, we're doing a sound this week. So go ahead and make sure you have this worksheet and your name is on it. We're going to start by reviewing some rhyming words. This time we're going to try to rhyme pan. So pan, tan, man, fan. All right, and then our next word is fill. Fill, sill, bill, hill, okay? And boss. Boss, toss, loss, floss, gloss, all rhyming words, okay? All right, let's move on and practice some letter sounds. This is number 1 through 10 on your worksheet. Number 1, let's do A. A. Number 2, let's do I. Number 3, P. Number 4, N. Number 5, M. Number 6, F. Number 7, H. Number 8, K. Remember that's K, also it's C. Number 9, S. And number 10, L. All right, make sure that you have those. I'm going to pause it if you don't have it and write them down. I'm going to erase them. We're going to practice spelling a couple of words. Number 11 is going to be red. Can we sound out red? D. D. Red. Red. And number 12 is let. Let. Make sure you have those written down. Red and let. All right, next let's look at our new sound we're going to learn about today. Very exciting. All right, track, block, click. What sound are we hearing at the end of all of those words? K. Right. So when you look at this, can you see what letters are making that K sound? Yeah, it's CK. When we see CK when we're coding, we're going to underline it, and we're going to cross out the C because we're not saying the C, we're just saying the K. Another thing you can notice is that it always comes before a short vowel sound. These would all have brevs. That's a brev, sorry. Track, block, click. Okay? So because we say the sound together, it's called a digraph. And we know a digraph is that two letters come together to make a sound. Okay? So our two letters that make it are C and K. Our picture card for this is going to be a duck, which also quacks. Quack has CK too. So when we see it, we'll say duck, k, k. All right. Not right now. After this video, okay? All right. Next, let's move on to some other words. Let's practice spelling. Number 13. Number 13, let's write down all the ways that we can spell K. So we know it's K and C. And then I think this is a new sign you guys are learning, but for the final sound, so when we're hearing it at the end, the K, final sound we put here. That means it's a final sound. It's two lines together. And then we write down CK because that's another way that we can say K. Right, let's practice spelling. We're going to spell back. So remember, we're spelling with CK, back, B, A, K, CK. Number 15 is going to be brick. So that's a blend we have there. B-R, B-R, I, and then K is going to be the CK. And then number 16 is block. This is another blend. Bull, B-L, A-O, and then K is the CK. Okay, make sure you have those down, and then we are going to code these words. 2 minutes, okay. Give me 2 minutes. All right, number 17 is sick. So we have our digraph, CK. We're going to underline it, cross out the C, and then our I gets a brev. Number 18, stick. Here we have a blend. We don't have to underline it, but our digraph CK gets underlined. It's a digraph because we only say the one sound. So brev on the I, stick. Number 19, stack. Underline our CK blend. Oh, up here we're going to cross out that C. We're going to cross out our C here, and it gets a brev. Number 20, track. Underline our CK, cross out our C, brev on the A. And 21, block. Underline our CK, line through the C, brev on the O. Look at these words, sick, stick, stack, track, block, and draw a line to the picture that it matches next. Pause right now if you need to get these written down. We're going to move on to the next section to code. Number 22, sit. Consonant vowel gets a brev. 23, steps. Box around the S, brev, or consonant vowel, so it gets the brev. 24, stamp. Consonant vowel gets the brev. 25, egg. We don't say that second G, we can just cross it out. The E gets a brev. And 26, he. Here we have our vowel open at the end, so it gets the macron, and it's he. So read these words, sit, step, stamp, egg, he, and draw a picture to draw a line to the picture that matches. And then make sure you pause and get these written down if you don't have them on your paper. Lastly, you're going to do your homework on the back on your own. You're going to read that first sentence, answer the second question. You're going to draw a picture to the beginning sound that it matches, the blend. And then you're going to read these sight words. Make sure your name's on it and get it turned in. Thanks. Have a good day.